Welcome to the complete PC and laptop hardware repair guide. This video will cover essential techniques and knowledge for diagnosing and fixing common computer hardware issues yourself. Rule 0 in hardware repair requires complete power disconnection. Always perform a full software shutdown, unplug the main power cable, and remove or disconnect the battery before opening any computer. Static electricity can silently destroy components. A tiny spark, which you cannot even feel, can permanently damage processors and memory. Always work on wooden or plastic tables, touch a metal computer case to ground yourself, and use an anti-static wrist strap. A technician requires specific tools. Use precision screwdrivers to avoid stripping screws, plastic spudgers to safely open laptop casings, and compressed air to blow dust out of tight spaces without physical contact. Dust traps heat and throttles performance. If your fans spin loudly or the device shuts down suddenly, dust might be acting as an insulator. Locate the vents, hold fan blades still with a plastic tool, and use short bursts of compressed air to clear the dust. A hard reset clears static power states. If your computer refuses to turn on, disconnect all power sources, including the battery. Then, press and hold the power button for 30 seconds to discharge electricity trapped in capacitors. Battery failures often stem from ports or contacts. Inspect the DC charging port for wiggly or loose connections. Clean metal contact points by applying 90% isopropyl alcohol to a cotton swab. Remember that lithium-ion batteries naturally degrade over time. Solid-state drives eliminate storage bottlenecks. Unlike HDDs with mechanical spinning disks, SSDs use durable flash memory chips, resulting in rapid data transfer rates and faster boot times, making old computers feel significantly faster. Memory faults trigger the blue screen of death. This occurs when the computer attempts to write data to a bad or physically loose sector of RAM. To fix this, run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool and physically open the case to reseat the RAM sticks. Drivers translate signals between hardware and software. If you see yellow exclamation marks in Device Manager, right-click the faulty device, select Update Driver or Uninstall Device, and restart. Also, check physical USB ports for bent pins that could cause short circuits. This diagnostic matrix summarizes primary checks and secondary actions for common issues like overheating, power-on failures, blue screens, slow performance, and non-working USB ports. Use this as a quick reference guide. Routine maintenance extends silicon lifespan. Following the 3 to 6 month rule, clear internal airflow pathways with compressed air every 3 to 6 months. Consistent airflow maintains lower component temperatures and doubles the functional life of silicon chips. Software hygiene stabilizes physical hardware. Keep your operating system updated and apply routine firmware patches. Firmware dictates physical hardware limits, and updating software actively prevents instability and power drain bugs. Hardware always fails, so data must be redundant. Follow the 3-2-1 backup blueprint. Maintain 3 total copies of your data. Utilize 2 different storage mediums, and store 1 copy completely off-site in the cloud. Methodical repair saves time and money. DIY repair eliminates fear of technology, as most issues stem from dust, loose connections, or aged batteries. If problems persist after these steps, consult a certified professional, as motherboard or processor failure may be likely.